Many times in life, when we have fewer friends, we tend to speak to everyone who comes to meet us or interact with us. We start to speak on any topic we want to share, and as a result, our impression of important people is not good. If we do not communicate effectively, they consider us to not be focused person. I have done this many times. This continued until I understood the significance of intention. I first listened to this topic in the Oprah Winfield video. According to her, intention is a cause that creates an effect. We cannot avoid the effects until we focus on the causes. And intention is the cause. If we understand this point and act accordingly, we can create a positive impact on others. Now come back to the topic of communication. We communicate every time, even in those moments when we are busy at work or sitting silently. Only speak with intention. Otherwise, just listen. Speak with intention, which means understanding what you say will have an impact on your listener. Another person. In the working environment, your boss or colleague understands that you are. You can identify yourself as a domain expert, subject matter expert, or generalist. Or after listening to your. Or you are creating an impact by sharing the stories of being a nice and happy person. Here are some tips for speaking with intention. Tip 1. Define what type of impact you want to convey. For example, in the office, you want to create the impression that you are a subject matter expert. You did not want the impression that you were good communicators. Or you are an expert in certain religious points of view. When you are sitting with friends, then again, you have to speak with intention. Either way, you are helping others solve their personal problems. Or you give another guy a listen eye. Tip 2. What message do you want to convey? Define the message clearly. As per your experience, what is a decision already talked about, and what will be its impact? For example, the assigned task is complete, and you want to share this message with your boss to show him how much effort you put into completing it. Define your message clearly. For example, what is the solution to the problem that your boss or colleague is searching for? What types of challenges arise if we implement certain solutions? Always begin with the end in mind. Tip 3. Define the context. People did not understand your point or message. Until they have a clear context, people are busy, they are not present mentally. They have to complete their own tasks. They did not understand your complete message until you provided context. Tip 4. Define the transition points. When discussing multiple points, you focus on the transition points. This allows you to effortlessly transition from one point to the next. You have to consider these points before going to meet your boss or friend. It seems that these points are lengthy and complex, but with practice, you can perform them in a few minutes or in a few seconds. Hi friends, I hope you like this video. On closing notes, there are 2 points: speak only when it is required, and speak with intention. Intention means what type of impact do you want to create on others? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in another video.